Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have my daughter here with me. Both my daughters, my big daughter and my baby daughter. One is missing, but we are doing our mukbang that you have requested. Our first mukbang that you had requested, but y'all want me to cook it, not buy it at the store. You want me to cook it, and so you guys could see the platter, right?
So we have corn, we have lobster tail, we have crabs.
Yep.
As you guys can see, actually that's a thumbnail. Okay.
All right. So we have our shrimp, we'll have our scallop, corn, potatoes, and all that good jazz. So we are going to be chowing down, but we just want to say thank you for this food in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
All right. Now this is my homemade sauce, and we're going to be eating away.
All right, let's go.
Let's go and tell me how the food tastes.
There's a little kick to it. A little, not too spicy, but it's a little kick to it.
What do you think about the sauce?
I'm gonna try it with the sauce. Try sauce.
Homemade sauce.
It's sweet. Sweet sauce. Real good. It's good that you can make this. You don't go into the restaurant. It's good when you can make it at home.
The sauce is the bomb. And the dog, you can tell, the smell is killing him, so him wants some of it real bad. The sauce,
I like the gravy. A lot of gravy. From the butter and everything.
yeah, the butter and that marinade that I made to put in the bake bottle. The thing is the bomb. .com. So
Just
good.
eat that pepper.
My potato, I'm gonna put a potato inside of the sauce.
And this is the Jamaican version.
And this is my Jamaican version.
Yep.
Taste the potato.
I've been tasting potato already. The one that you eat with a fork. Eat with your finger. You can't do it.
The potato is tender. Hello.
Shrimp
I think you guys need to try this.
Shrimp?
In the bake bag. Look at that. So good. And I'm telling you, that sauce right there, that homemade sauce, man, so good.
There's a mustard feel to it. But sweet.
There's a little kick with the cayenne pepper.
Seafood is like water based anyway. When you eat it, you're gonna get hungry again.
You can't even better when you put it in some sauce.
Lobster right here. Look at lobster.
This is everything. Come on.
I'm about to smash this down.
Look at that.
Big old crab.
Look at that.
Homemade, baby.
Homemade. In Juliana's kitchen. I keep telling you guys that there's nothing that I won't try.
No, but look. I'm almost done. Y'all still. I still got this whole crab to finish.
It's a lot of food.
I'm gonna be the winner.
But if I'm run away, who's gonna catch him?
You can't watch him if he's outside. I'm gonna be the winner. How much I got left? 1, 2, 3.
The shrimp to finish, the crab.
You got the crab.
You're not
Cut the
finished.
sauce out of the shell.
Yeah.
Woo. I'm almost
Pieces
finished.
were
I got
strong
the lobster tail.
Oh, it is stronger.
Look at that.
Lobster tail, right? Coming up.
Kill. All that meat.
The body is so neat. She's like,
Look at that.
Can't butter.
all that seafood. Let go.
Alright. It's not too spicy. That's good.
Not on the seafood, but there's spice in the peppers.
Yeah.
And seasons.
It's just a little. It's not too
Not too-
overwhelming.
Yeah.
Pepper not too hot.
I don't think the body could have eat it.
No, probably
Yeah.
not.
Meat.
I'm taking my teeth and breaking this stuff.
Don't want the scissors? Don't mess up the teeth.
Oh, good.
You got strong teeth.
Her teeth come like scissors.
Somebody crying away.
Thanks for letting me know, sis.
Oh, I don't need to break the shell. The shell is already peeling off.
Let me know if you want to see more videos like this.
Of course.
Just make sure you like this video
And subscribe.
and subscribe. Thumbs up.
Such a good corn. Seasoned and well juiced.
Make sure you hit the notification. Very important.
Notification, subscribe, and like.
All the above. Don't forget the meat out of the last part, you know. Can't waste none of this good stuff.
I still got this whole crab, 2 shrimp, and this crab, this 2 corn, and a potato.
I think I got more stuff. I got 2 crab.
Shoot. But not that I'm complaining though. I love crab.
You only have 1 crab? I got 2.
I got this little crab and these giant legs.
I got that too.
Cut back. All that good stuff right there.
I'm gonna try to find out how to break this.
Look at that.
This freaking big ass hand.
Claws.
Oh my god. So we go like that.
You need to cut it. You got strong teeth, man.
That's not my teeth. That's my hands.
You sure don't want this?
Scallop is awesome.
I really do keep scallop.
I'm kind of halfway there. I got 2 corns, 2 shrimp, this, and a potato.
Not every day you eat seafood.
Not all this in one day at least.
Not every day you can either.
Well, I have to say, boy, it's super expensive, but it's worth it. It's worth every penny.
Now I gotta get my ass in this.
Now I'm going to work, Mr. right here.
Okay.
Sniffling?
Yeah.
That pepper, yeah.
I'm gonna have to get a refill on mine. I think I'm getting into a pepper.
Ooh, this has a lot of food in there. A lot of meat. And deep lobster.
Eggs, so
Lobster hand.
look at that. Those are eggs.
Well, eggs. Oh, hell no.
Oh, no.
That's the best part.
Hell no. And I still have this big ass thing right here. Look at this, guys. So juicy. So juicy, but I still got a long way to go. Nope, I'm almost done. If it wasn't for my damn 2 crabs, I'm trying to. And these little legs don't have no meat in it.
Look at that.
You're on it yet? No.
I'm gonna be on it right now. They're on it. The butter still haven't gotten to her corn yet.
That's a long way to travel.
But let me also got to see my pachara. To have one crab still.
Is this the caca? It looks weird.
You know when food good, or you look at your finger.
I'm scared to right.
That's when you know food good. Look at that.
Oh, I see. The eggs.
Mama crabs.
Now that is one tasty jumbo crablet.
It's been raining off and on today, guys.
It's been rain. We never even noticed it rain today.
I know, it says sunny in the forecast and it's raining.
All of a sudden it just start rain.
Without any warning.
Without any warning. While it was raining, it was still saying sunny outside. That's that Georgia bipolar weather. I'm telling you. That's one thing about living in Georgia. You never know when there's a tornado coming.
Only when you see hail, just run for it. You know it's close by when you see hail.
Get that meat out.
I'm eating this wrong. I'm supposed to have some kind of pliers.
Well, a knife will do. A scissors will do. I'm using the scissors, and it's just
Is my lipstick on her here?
I don't. No, it's still there.
Yeah.
So it's on my chin?
No.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Mine is all over the place. It's all right.
No, yours is fine. God.
Let's get that meat out.
Well, I don't know if that was a crab or what.
It splashed on you?
Yeah. Probably both.
I'm trying to eat this as clean as possible.
There's no
All this meat.
There's no clean way to eat.
Oh, weird. You see my napkin?
Eating seafood. Eating seafood is all about being messy with it.
I'm eating the eyeball. I think the eyes are healthy. Back in Jamaica.
In Jamaica.
The eggs and eyes.
Oh, Lord. I'm a mess.
I don't have no napkin.
I'm just going through it, y'all.
Would y'all request a napkin?
Mommy's beating us.
Oh, Lord.
All of a sudden, see me talking to
Right. Yeah, I still got this and a potato. That counts for anything.
Boy, this is so good, y'all. I wish you could taste what I'm tasting right now. It is so good. It is a blessing when you can make your homemade seafood
boiled
at home.
bag.
This one's gonna be a tough one.
It's easy to make too. Just buy the
It's
ingredients.
not easy. It's very easy to make.
Put it in a bag.
Put it in your bake bag. You have to have the right spices on it, of course.
I mean, yeah.
Oh, excuse you. And then it should be good to go.
I'm just biting. Why my teeth is so strong? Pressed. Toothpaste.
Oh, you're promoting their thing now.
That's why my teeth are so strong. That's all I brush with.
Crest toothpaste.
It's good.
It's so much meat. Oh, guys, look.
Delicious.
See that? So much meat. It's like a sandwich.
Crab sandwich.
This is divine. I kid you not. I kid you not.
I'm not even halfway done with my crab. Still got this. Oh.
That's straight meat.
This is a lot of meat and shell. Oh.
Get your still a ball.
My dog is whining in the back.
Ooh, it's peppery. Right here. This
What's
one.
the bite? That piece of pepper?
Yeah, it went in the gravy. It was baked with it.
Y'all hear that crunch?
There we go. That's me. Because I'm crunching it. Getaway. Not with no scissors.
My teeth.
Ooh, that's meat right there.
Am I done?
You're getting there. You are getting there fast.
Ooh.
Oh, oh gosh.
Jackpot.
Look, Baba.
Oh no, that is
Nah.
meat right there.
Meat, y'all.
Jackpot.
Ooh, I burped. Excuse me.
You are excused, my dear.
One more leg.
Look at that.
Actually, two more legs.
Look.
This is meat right
Ah.
Nice and fat. That's nice.
Look at that.
Like jelly.
here. This is the biggest meat I've seen so far.
This is delicious meal of the day. Thanks, Mother.
Oh, welcome, mate.
Great girl.
I always call my mom Mother. No bad comments below. Just a habit. Mother.
What do you
says
call
mommy.
your mom?
Huh?
What do y'all call your mom?
Mommy.
Mama?
Mama.
Moms?
Ma.
Comment below, let us know what you call your mother.
Like,
And while
Mother.
if you're watching us for the very first time, do what?
Subscribe.
And what else, Davadia?
Like.
Like and share. No, you know Davadia, she also have her channel, my baby girl. Talk about your channel, you know.
My channel is not in service at the moment.
But guys, go ahead and subscribe anyway.
It will be down below in the description box if you guys are interested in subscribing to me.
It's JT.
She has plenty of fashionable tips.
It's JT. And her
I'm
channel
trying.
is Deeflawless. Now what I have left on my platter.
I basically beat y'all already. I'm just down to my potato.
Really?
Really.
That is
I got
impossible.
this.
I'm done.
I'm down to this.
I'm down to this potato.
And I'm down to a corn.
Good luck on that, mother.
And a little crab leg.
Well, I got only 2 corns left.
Oh, what else I have left? I have this left.
It was so funny if it start raining this side.
Oh, that'll be so much. That'll be so bad luck. Should we put that in the bloopers?
Not for the bloopers. Everything going, when it starts to rain, then it's all be inside of the video. We ain't gonna edit that out.
Okay. Just leave it in the video.
Give you guys something to laugh about.
Somebody else looking at my phone. Slipped out of my fingers, y'all.
So good.
Juice so good.
Alright.
You done?
Yep, I beat all of y'all.
Dry. When did that happen?
I'm used to big meals. Alright.
I guess I'm done.
That was delicious.
I can't do anymore. I had what, 3 lobsters, a lobster tail. Plus I had 3 crabs or 2 crabs?
3 crabs.
Oh my god, 2 corn, 2 potatoes.
Big old crab legs.
And my hands are just dirty. Well, are you done? Anybody done?
We are all finished.
Okay, we destroyed our plate. I'll show you mine.
Killed it.
My plate, I still got a crab.
We killed it.
You still got a whole potato.
I still,
Yes.
Oh, finish it.
show myself too.
Let us know if you need more videos like this. Let me know rather. And I will do more if
But she'll cook the food and we'll eat
I'll
it.
cook the food and then we're gonna eat it.
Like have a dinner thing going on.
Right? Yeah, so don't forget once again to like
Ooh, I got
and
a shrimp.
share.
Oh,
Finish
Lord.
the shrimp.
I can't even believe
I'll eat
it.
You never show your shrimp.
Thank you.
Make sure saying that I'm the shrimp in there.
The shrimp is...
Jamila over here saying she finished, but she never
No,
even
this one I
finished.
didn't finish.
Oh my
She still
god.
look at that.
You could have...
She has a whole crab.
She wasn't finished.
She has a whole crab, a whole shrimp, and a whole potato.
You can have my crab. I'm done. I'm full.
She ain't
My
finished
mommy
yet.
set me up. She gave me 2. Is it 2 or 3 crabs?
3 now.
She gave me 2 crabs. Okay, I had a lobster tail plus the lobster thing arms. Plus 2 of those.
You get 2, like
Sheesh,
like 2,
Right,
3.
yeah, Jamila, I think you got the most.
Yeah, I got the most of it. She gave me the most of it.
That's why you feel
And a whole bunch of clams.
And plus I have potatoes. And you know potatoes take up space.
And still I eat it.
Careful before everything come right back.
And anybody want for some of them that drink with them food?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I had wine. She had
cranberry juice.
My little one had cranberry juice. Big daughter had some wine, and I'm having water.
We're done.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll see you in the next video.
So alright,
Yeah.
like the video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Let us get to that 1,000 likes on this video and 1,000,000 shares, okay? And let us know what you want to see us cooking down in the description. Don't forget to like, share. And as always, remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!
We have to go for it because some of us got tab in our hair.
Oh look, and the card full
Close your eyes. I don't wanna be alone tonight. Come